So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Topon Ingnam Vlogs. Ini nyari tahan ini video paklang ponik po yo. Kali ini dah ada paklang mah. Ekdom non sih tholang mah ya ekdom. Emek ta practice sala. Ya, dom non sih. Doe party do. Lasing ko non ada ta party do lah. Lasi amuni taan melo. Non broiler phibom lo. Ya. Non pulang pas bom lo.
Lulu buni box nam konte.
Ane laka.
Cekak putang lagi.
Lang pas bom lo ya.
Lalu ni mana kau bahan ni?
Si hang lo lang ya. Ekdom klar clip pinak lo. Happy New Year's 2021. Welcome to 2021. Guys, non party de lang ya. Broiler lang mi phubom lo. Ya, non sang mi phubom lang. Ya, dolang non Johnny de lang ki phubeta. Lasi video bang lang sempak lang ichot po. Toko namanya than tha.
Long cari tisu.
Oh, alang li men ke? Long cari tisu. To. Ya, dom se lang pas bom lang. Nang li men ke?
Business singer budi kau.
Oh. Kadam pa yel than alita.
Oh, kadam.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Oh. To. Nang li wo phi bang ka? Amen ko so ing ne.
Kahan tisu,
Oh. Na pen ing ne.
Titiliguri Karbiang lo.
Okay. Thank you. Happy New Year's. Welcome to 2021. Totang de pinya video bang ani lilang sing Tony Kok po.
Like a lonely man, we just meet, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. You know you're in love when you come for the sea. Because we are the team, we see the better than trees. Like a lonely man, we just meet, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy.